Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate account security with two-factor authentication at Coinbase. Complete guide step by step clearly. To activate account security with two-factor authentication at Coinbase, begin by opening the Coinbase app or website. Log into your Coinbase account using your email and password. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Settings menu. Look for the Security tab within the Settings. In the Security section, find the option for Two-Factor Authentication or 2FA. Click on the option to set up two-factor authentication. You will be presented with different authentication methods. Select your preferred method, such as using an authentication app or receiving SMS texts. If you choose an authentication app, download it if you haven't done so already. Popular choices include Google Authenticator and Authy. After downloading the app, click on Next in the Coinbase settings. Open the authentication app to set up a new account. Scan the QR code displayed on your Coinbase screen with the app. The app will generate a 6-digit code. Enter the 6-digit code back into the Coinbase two-factor authentication setup. Confirm the code to finalize the setup process. If you opted for SMS, enter your phone number when prompted. You will receive a text message containing a verification code. Enter this verification code into the Coinbase settings to confirm. Once you've completed the verification, two-factor authentication will be activated. Make sure to save any backup codes provided for future access. Remember to keep your authentication app or phone secure. Finally, review your security settings periodically to ensure your account remains protected. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.